Alright, so welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we're going to talk about lawn fungus control. This product is actually by Bioadvance that I purchased last year. I had an extra few bottles. I used this product last year as a curative treatment for my lawn when I got a lawn fungus last year. So this year I want to get on top of the curve and I want to use this product as a preventative treatment for my lawn. So if you live in the up north area, because this is where I live in Connecticut, this is the perfect time to get your treatment down for preventative treatment on your lawn so you don't get a lawn fungus. So you got to stay ahead of the curve, because last year it was a disaster. I got a lawn fungus, it was brown patch and all that in the grass, and they'll eat away at your roots and kill off your lawn. You don't really want nothing killing off that beautiful lawn that you worked hard for all year. So like I worked hard for this lawn last year, and into this season I'm having a ball with it. So now I want to make sure I protect the lawn. And this is a good product because last year I used it as a curative treatment. It worked very well. It cured up the lawn in about 2 weeks. Now I use this product with Scott's granulated product. It was also a lawn fungus treatment, so I did both and they both work. So I'm just showing you this product because this is a product that you will find in any big box store: Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. This is a easy product to go and just grab off the shelf, and it's right there for you. Now I know a lot of people use a lot of other upgraded chemical like Eagle. I think it's Eagle, and it's one I think Strobe 21, something like that. And those products are pretty good. I know I read a lot of reviews on those products, and they're pretty pricey too. They also almost like 35, 40, $50 a bottle. Not saying that this product is not quality, but this is a big box store product. So a lot of people, don't like to use these products. They say, oh, they're garbage, or you got to use so much of it. But I didn't have that problem last year. The product did exactly what it said it was going to do. It's very accessible to everybody. That's why I like to use a lot of these products out of the big box stores, because it shows you that you can use these products and have great results also. So that's why I use a lot of these products. When you're using these products, make sure you read the back labels to make sure it's for your grass type. Make sure that you're using a proper amount, and basically it's fight off what you're looking to fight off. If you got brown patch, make sure you go in there, you look and say, okay, I need brown patch coverage, I need dollar spot coverage, all of that type of stuff. So it's not a bad product, and it's easy to use. No mixing, no measuring. Only thing I don't like about the Bioadvance product here that other hose and sprayer bottles have, they have their label on the side with the ounces. Now this Bioadvance bottle don't have the ounces. It's a 32-ounce bottle, but you have to eye test how much you're going to use for your yard. So you need to know the proper measurement of your yard. Me, this bottle covers up to 5,000 square feet. I know that from the label. My yard, I'm rounding it up to 2,500 square feet. So I know I'm going to get 2 uses out of this bottle. So I'm going to use half today, and then I'll store it, and I'll use the other half in 30 days, because you get 30-day covers. So this one bottle for me will cover me for 60 days. So I can't beat that for about $16, $17 product. So that'll give me coverage all the way up until mid-July. Now, if you live up north, this is perfect time, like I said, to get your preventative treatment down, because it starts to get hot and humid, and that's not good for an unprotected lawn. So you want to make sure your lawn is protected when it starts to get hot and humid. What else? Let me tell you this. I got a bottle of surfactant also that's going to help that fungus control be more efficient. So you can use, this is a dedicated surfactant. You can use dishwashing soap as a surfactant, and you can use Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo as like a surfactant. But me, I just happen to have a dedicated surfactant. I actually bought this bottle here at Tractor Supply. It was about 15 bucks for 1 gallon, and it's doing me well. I haven't even used a lot. Probably used maybe not even a third of the bottle or 3/4 of the bottle. I still got a whole lot, so it's a good investment. But it's gonna help this product be even more efficient in preventing your lawn from getting the fungus, or curing your lawn from getting the fungus. So it's good to go hand in hand. Now, one thing about when you use a surfactant, If you're going to use dishwashing soap, make sure it's not antibacterial, because that is not good. That'll fight against what it's trying to do as a surfactant. Surfactant is supposed to stick and make it wetter on the lawn here and help break down that plant's barrier and stuff like that, help the product stick. But the antibacterial does something like it'll fight against that. So you don't want that. You just want a basic dishwashing soap or a basic Johnson & Johnson. It could be the store brand Johnson & Johnson. It could be the store brand dishwashing soap. Doesn't matter. So let's get down to business. I got my funnel. I'm going to use that. Help me pour the surfactant into the bottle, and then we go from there. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and add my surfactant into my lawn fungus control. So all you got to do, unscrew it. Now, I did a video like this last year. You can check it out if you want to. Just gonna make sure it doesn't spill. Gonna put your funnel in. Helps to pour it in and be more efficient. And you don't need much, just a little bit. That's it. Don't need much. Yep, there you go, spilling a little bit. Exactly what I didn't want. Make sure it's back on tight. And then you're just gonna shake your product up. And you're ready to go. And I'm gonna put my gloves on. Always wear your proper PPE. Make sure, I'm not too worried about the gloves, but I'm more worried about having a mask on. You don't want this product, like, you don't want to inhale the product, so you just make sure you wear a little mask, especially if it's a windy day and the wind is blowing and it's blowing back on you. You don't want to inhale none of this stuff. All right, so we all set. See how I poured the surfactant in and shake it up, make sure everything is mixed properly, and then we're going into the yard. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. You're gonna connect your hose end sprayer. Make sure it's connected, make sure the seal's in there. And then you got your safety lock on there. Gonna go ahead and remove that. Little lock, toss that. So like I said before, when we did the Spectracide, you're gonna start at the far end of the yard and work your way back in. You don't wanna walk in the product, so start at the far end and then work your way back to your platform. All right, it's that simple. And see, it's that simple. Just start at the far end of your yard, work your way back. Now this year, if you go back and look at the old video, I used the same product, but I had turned my water pressure down a little bit this year because for some reason these Bioadvance products, they empty out really quickly. So this year I turned my water pressure down a little bit, and see, I'm not using as much. It's not emptying out as quickly. So that's one key thing that you got to be careful for on these Bioadvance products. Last year I had the water pressure up, and it wasn't even up that much, but it was up enough for it to just empty out really quickly. I don't know, something about their bottles that empty out very fast compared to other hose in sprayer bottles from other companies. So that's one thing you just got to be on the lookout for. But like you saw me do, just work my way from the back of the yard all the way back to my platform, and that's about it. I don't want to hold you guys too long, but you're gonna go through the whole yard and spray everything down just like that, and keep an eye on your measurement to make sure you're using the proper amount. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to give this product a try, go ahead and do that. Take care.